Welcome to Temple Music, your gateway to exploring the incredible world of sound frequencies. Today, we embark on a journey of awe and wonder as we delve into the extraordinary power of the Solfeggio frequency of 528 Hz. Known as the frequency of transformation and miracles, it holds the key to profound shifts within ourselves, including the potential for DNA repair. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of this remarkable frequency. Our DNA, the blueprint of our existence, is at the core of our being. The frequency of 528 Hz resonates with our DNA, activating its potential for transformation and repair. It is believed to facilitate healing and promote positive changes at the cellular level. The miraculous properties of 528 Hz have been recognized throughout history, stretching back to ancient civilizations and their profound understanding of sound's transformative qualities. This frequency can bring balance, harmony, and restoration to our bodies, minds, and spirits. By immersing ourselves in the gentle vibrations of 528 Hz, we align with the frequency of love and healing. It resonates deeply within us, dissolving energetic blockages and allowing positive energy flow. This frequency can catalyze profound life shifts, leading to transformation and miraculous experiences. The healing effects of 528 Hz can be experienced through various practices, such as meditation, sound therapy, and mindful self-care. Incorporating this frequency into our lives creates a harmonious environment for personal growth and well-being. Moreover, 528 Hz is also associated with enhancing creativity and intuition. It opens up channels of inspiration and allows us to tap into our inner potential, unlocking our creative abilities and helping us manifest our deepest desires. Embrace the power of the 528 Hz frequency and embark on a journey of transformation, healing, and miracles. Click the link below to explore the guided practices and experiences that can help you integrate this frequency into your life. Unlock your potential and witness the incredible power of 528 Hz unfold.